Hey there, it's Boot Zone here. I'm going to have a look at the fuel filter today on my VW T4. It's a 1.9 ABL engine. Fuel filter is part of a routine service. So first off, take off that cover on the battery. And then right in down here, you can see it. It's underneath or kind of in front and below the battery. And so you've got two hoses coming in and two going out. I presume that's the direction they go. You've got to get the two hose clips off on here and here, and you've got to get this little pop fitting thing on here. So there's a kind of an R clip there we've got to pull out, and we'll just pull that up then. It's going to be difficult to show you because of where it is, but we'll see how we get on. So first things first, I'll pull off that R clip. If I can. Just pull straight out. You're kind of restricted for space in here. That's the main issue with this job. And just beside the clip, we've got these two flathead Jubilee clips. And when I put this on the last time, I made sure that the screws were pointing up, because I'm not sure that they always are left that way. It's kind of difficult to do, but you know what some people are like. So both are good and rusty, but both have loosened off. So make them quite loose, and then see if you can twist the clip. That's what you want. You want to slide the clip off. So then just, once you've got the screw out as far as it'll go, not quite as far as it'll go, not out, but loose anyways, just slide it back, and that'll give you access. And this will give you the space to get a pliers on there. And without damaging the hose, what you want to do is get a pliers around it so that you can break the seal on it. And once you've done that, you should be able to pull them off. Granted that you're working in very limited confines. We've moved a bit. Okay, so that's one. Don't lose the clip off the end. Great smell of diesel coming out of that. I'm just using a twisting and a rocking motion to get them off, and then this one should just pull up. I need to get a bit of persuasion underneath it. Don't want to use too much force. There'll be an O-ring in here that just needs to lose its seal. There it is, two hands made the job easier. So that just sits there. And this filter, of course, now is full of diesel. So just pull it straight up and out. With the filter out, that's what it looks like. I've just got a bucket. Of waste oil. So it's coming out, it looks perfectly clear. Here's the new filter. It's an Alco SP972. It just looks exactly the same. You can take off these plastic protectors. The same with the little lugs on the end. Then we just drop this in where it was and push everything back together, and it should go together far quicker. So get it the same way around.
Cover it up, drop it in. Lost the hose clip there. It's a snugger fit, this one. Now I lost the hose clip there somewhere. Just have to slide that on. And you gotta be careful not to get dust into the filter at this point. About as careful as I'm being. There should be diesel on the inside of the line, so they'll just go straight back on. Just want to check that there's some kind of a filter or something, or a sealing ring. Oh, and I've left that sit in the muck, which is really good. So the sealing ring is on the filter, but I need to give that a clean. So what I think is, and I'm open to correction on this, is that this is the overflow. So I've not made a great job of cleaning that, but I'm not going to be able to do much better. Just pop that back in, and we'll let the filter itself take care of it. This clip goes back in here, across the top and over the side. No, not yet. Just like that, and then tighten up the two clips. So here it is all back together. My suspicion is that this is where this pipe at the back here on the right is where the fuel comes from the fuel tank, fuel pump, and then this one here in the center at the on the right at the bottom is where it goes to the engine. And so what I think is that the center of the fuel filter is the clean bit, and that this plug here on the left is the return line from the fuel pump, or from the injector pump, so that even though it was a bit dirty, it'll still be clean by the time the fuel goes through the filter if it's returning that way. So let's try and start the engine. So let's start it up and see how it goes. That should be okay now. And just taking a look back in there, everything looks okay. So I'll put it all back together and the job's a good one. Thanks for watching. See you later.